Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. So those who are taking their BTech graduation program currently and those who are in the technical field, they want to make themselves as a better programmer. So in this video I will tell you how to become a better programmer in our daily life. So I will tell you some tips which can guide you to be better programmer in your daily life. So number 1, never fear from new things. You should never fear to do anything new in this world of software engineering. If you are not open to trying your hands or something new, it's very difficult to grow as a programmer and you may get lost in the crowd. On the other hand, if you are open to new things, you will find your knowledge increasing and confidence rising and appreciation coming on the way. Number 2, learning different programming languages. It's okay if your project requires to need only Java. One may think that if I learn only some parts of Java, he can survive. But that's a very wrong perspective. What if the project gets closed? What if there are no more projects based on Java? Never ever limit yourself to that one programming language that your project requires. You must know the basics of at least 3 programming languages in which you should be mastered of one. Like Java, C++, C, but you are the master in Java or C or C++. Any one program master should be important. Number 3, clear your basics. This is one of the biggest mistakes which people do is they directly jump into the framework instead of studying the basics. Even if you are working on some projects which have some hi-fi code of JavaScript, you must first clear your basics of JavaScript, then only you can proceed with it. Because when things get complex, believe me, these basics will come in handy. Number 4, data structures. So many people don't bother about data structures, but the world is changing. Nowadays, if you don't have any understanding of some common data structures and algorithms, it's difficult to even clear the first or second coding rounds in interview. Some people may say that what's the use of it? I'm not going to use it in my coding. Data structure is not like any programming language. Knowing data structures and algorithms helps you to think better structures and solutions the efficient way of the code. Knowing data structures will help you in daily basis work. You can give a more efficient solution instead of just giving the solution. Number 5, system design and system architecture. A lot of companies having their own engineering blogs. You can study them. You will learn how people build their complex architecture, how they scale their systems to match such a huge load of customers, and also new technology which is in trend. Number 6, read code from GitHub and try to understand. Take your favorite language and search in GitHub for open source projects based on that language. There are so many open source projects in GitHub. Choose any one of the open source projects, clone it and import it in your favorite IDE. Also will learn new frameworks which they may have used with your favorite programming languages. Your code may not get accepted in the first attempt, but it's totally fine. That is how we will learn things. These open source projects have a lot of beautiful code. You will learn a lot of new way to solve things. Number 7, always in learning mode. Sometimes people get lazy and think they know what requires them to perform and they'll stop learning. Industry always demands you to be updated with the latest and least in the technology you worked on. Keep reading blogs, keep yourself updated with any new features or version of your favorite programming languages. So number 8, practice makes you perfect. I think everyone knows this. Practice makes a man and woman perfect. You learn something new today, you tried a basic code and it has been worked, and now you think that you know that stuff and you will never check it back again. That's a wrong belief. It's very easy to forget the syntax of new programming language, so try to practice the code 3-4 times. Keep practicing, it will make you efficient, increase your productivity, and you will have a few errors. That's how you learn new things. Number 9, if you want to master in something, look for a mentor whom you think they can guide you, who is subject expert. As they have already gone through that path of mastering, they know what mistake one should avoid and which one to study. Never feel ashamed of learning from someone who is of lesser experience than you. Learning is never about age, it's about sharing experience. If you are getting something new, go for it. Number 10, help others and let them help you. Last but not least, if you are master of something, if you know something which others don't know, share your knowledge. Don't let your attitude and ego come over it. If you think you got some information from this video, please like this video, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.